Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E15, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles. Do that once more to extend the list of them, and find Do Not Disturb mode. For me it is visible on the first page right over here, but you might find it on other pages as well. Anyway, once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. I recommend going through these and changing some of them. For instance, this one is a very good thing to change, which is the duration for quick settings. It defines what will happen when you manually tap on the toggle, and only when you do it manually. By default, it will run until you turn it off, so if you forget about it, it's just gonna run indefinitely. I like to select it on something like a 4-hour timer, so even if I forget about it, the device will do it for me. Additionally, you can also use schedule in here. If you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure it's toggled on in here like so, and that's all you need to do. Now, closing this up, let's find the toggle once more, and for manual usage, just tap on the toggle, and that's it. Now, if you remember to turn it off, you can find it again and tap on it once more to turn it off. If you're using schedule, you don't need to do anything. And if you just want to wait for the timer, once you turn it on, you also don't need to do anything as it will turn off automatically after 4 hours, which for me that would be at 7:15 p.m. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.